So now we've done our fabulous Hollywood wave, what we could try and do is like a kind of like a little ponytail with a Hollywood wave at the back. If we just bring it all back in one big ponytail, I think it might be a little bit, the waves won't sit together, so I'm going to do it in two sections. And I don't want it to be a tight ponytail, and it's not a problem to have a lot of hair, don't get me wrong, it's just I want the waves to lie together. So let's just take this whole top section out of the equation. I might bring the sides back separately too, and let's get this into a ponytail. Yeah, and we don't need to have it too tight because I don't want it to be quite a soft ponytail, not too tight. So I'm almost gripping the hair in to that ponytail. Working with the waves. Final section. I'm just using a short, strong hairpin. Pushing that in to the band under there, just to hold it in position. I'm actually quite happy with those waves there. Now we know that this is in the right place, you can just pop another bobby pin in there, or you could put a, I don't want to put a hairband on because I want it to be quite wide. It's the kind of thing, if you imagine, it's kind of got a, we've got a lovely big clip to go across the top. So just a couple of bobby pins either side to hold the ends in a little bit. Let's bring this bit back first, and actually if you look as well, this bit fits perfectly with this wave. A little bit of texturizing powder, just so it kind of helps the grips to hold in the hair. We've got our hairband in there, remember, underneath, and a bobby pin to hold that in now. A little bit of texturizing powder will help you to hold that ponytail together so it doesn't end up being lots of curls. A few more clips just to help accentuate the shape of the wave. And then we've got our little piece here then we're going to bring back. You could just put a grip in there, or you could put a little band on the end of that hair, just a little elastic band, and then that gives you something to grip to. Let me just pin that in place because that wave there looks like it wants to move. Just teach it to be there. Then I'm just going to use a bobby pin. You can put the bobby pin into that band so that when you go into the hair underneath, you can just pop that bobby pin up and into all the hair that we've got here. That's it, gorgeous. Spray shine to finish. And with a beautiful ponytail. So imagine it without the comb. Actually, that looks really pretty. Let's go in there. I'm going to use my tail comb. You've seen me do this before when we put veils in. Now it's not easy here because there are a lot of pins and there's a lot of texturizing powder, which is good because it means it will stay, but it can be a bit tricky to get the piece in. That's it. beautiful. And once it's gone in, it should stay there. You know, all that texturizing powder in there will help it to hold. But if you're a bit worried, you can go in. I don't think that's going to move anywhere. But if you use a bobby pin, you could just use your bobby pin and open it up a little bit like that. And then just kind of find the comb, and you're going to kind of do this. You're going to find the comb and you're going to just go over the comb. So it catches a bit of hair and it catches the comb. But I really don't think this is going anywhere. But if you are worried, that's what you can do. And we've got our lovely Hollywood wave ponytail.